Hey everyone, welcome to my Cox Communications Internet Review. Find service links below. Cox offers internet plans for everyone, from casual browsing to gigabit gaming, with speeds from 100 megabits to a gig in select areas. Their panoramic Wi-Fi blankets your home with a strong, consistent signal, perfect for busy households and smart homes. The Wi-Fi 6 gateway delivers blazing speeds and low latency for 4K streaming and gaming. You also get Cox Security Suite Plus, powered by McAfee, protecting your devices from online threats. Plus, integrate your smart home devices with their Home Life automation service. Manage everything easily with the Cox mobile app, track usage, set parental controls, and troubleshoot problems. Cox offers plans tailored for gamers, students, and businesses. Their straight-up prepaid internet is a no-contract option with simple pricing. Most plans have a 1.25 terabyte data cap, plenty for most, but heavy users beware. Performance is solid, but watch out for promotional pricing that expires and equipment rental fees. Customer service reviews are mixed, so be prepared to be persistent. Overall, Cox offers reliable internet with flexible plans, great Wi-Fi, and smart home integration. Whether you're a student, gamer, or family, Cox has a plan for you. Check the links below for details and to find the perfect plan.